Hello dear students, I welcome all of you to the lecture 16 of Topology of Matrix Spaces, Unit 1st Matrix Spaces. In last lecture, we study set of interior point and properties of set of interior points. In today's lecture, we study diameter of a set and Hausdorff property. So we start today's lecture with some definitions. Diameter of a set and Hausdorff property. First, I give a definition of diameter of a set. Definition of let X be a matrix space let capital A be a non-empty subset of X the diameter of a set A is denoted by small delta in bracket capital A, delta bracket A is defined as delta in bracket A is equal to supremum of set dxy, distance between x and y, such that x and y belong to set A if supremum of A if supremum of the set exists. And is equal to infinity if supremum of the set does not exist. This is the definition of diameter of a set. This definition tells that let X to be a matrix space and A is subset of capital X and A is non-empty. The diameter of a set is denoted by delta A is defined as delta A is equal to supremum of all distance between X and Y. That is maximum distance between X and Y if supremum of the set exists, and is infinity if supremum of the set does not exist. This is the definition of diameter of a set. Examples: first, if capital XD order pair XD is a matrix space and let x0 x0 belong to set X be a fixed point let capital A is equal to singleton set X0 which is subset of X, because X0 is a fixed point. A is equal to singleton set X0 is subset of X, then diameter of set A delta A is equal to supremum of set distance between X0 to X0, because this set contains only singleton element X0, therefore distance between X0 and X0 such that X0 belongs to A is equal to 0. Therefore diameter of set A is equal to 0. Second example, let x is equal to r, distance between x and y dxy is defined as modulus of x minus y with absolute value metric let capital A is equal to interval A to B be a bounded interval then find delta A, diameter of set A. Solution: by definition, diameter of A is equal to supremum of set dxy such that x and y belong to A is equal to supremum of set modulus of x minus y. Here dxy is equal to modulus of x minus y such that xy belong to A is set of closed interval A to B. A, B. Note that A is less equal x is less equal B. X is in between A and B. For all x belong to closed interval AB. This implies that 0 is less equal x minus A is less equal B minus A. Graphically, we see this by this A, B, and here is X, and in between there is some Y. Okay, this is the graph or figure of this situation. It can be seen that zero is less equal modulus of x minus y is less than or equal to b minus a for all x belong to closed interval a b. This implies that supremum of set modulus of x minus y such that x and y belong to closed interval a b is equal to b minus a, because this is the highest point of the set. Therefore this is less equal to b minus, this is supremum of the our set. This implies that diameter of a is equal to b minus a. This is the solution of our problem. Third example, let x is equal to r2 and D be the equivalent metric let A is equal to set. A is set of order pair x1 x2 such that x1 square plus x2 square is less equal 1 is equal to set of all points in the interior of a circle with center at origin and radius 1. Find diameter of set A, delta A. Solution. Let x is equal to x1 comma x2, y is equal to y1 comma y2 in R2. This is point in R2 space. The longest chord in a circle is its diameter. this is circle. Suppose this is a longest chord, and we know that this longest chord is a diameter. This is a delta A. This implies that zero is less equal dxy is equal to, by definition of equilibrium metric, this is equal to modulus of under root x1 minus y1 square plus x2 minus y2 bracket square. Since D is equilibrium metric, since T is equilibrium metric. Therefore, 0 is less equal dxy is equal to root x1 minus y1 bracket square plus x2 minus y2 bracket square. This is by definition. By triangular inequality, dxy or t xy is less equal dxz plus dzy, where z is equal to 0.00. This is x and this is y, and z is in between this. Therefore, dxy is less equal under root x1 square plus x2 square plus root y1 plus y1 square plus y2 square is less equal 1 plus 1 is less equal 2 for xy belong to A, because A is a set of, since x1 square plus x2 square is less equal 1 and y1 square plus y2 square is less equal 1. This is given for set belonging to element in A. This implies that diameter of A is equal to supremum of set dxy such that xy belong to A is equal to 2. Diameter of A is equal to 2. This is a solution. Remark: very important, diameter of open ball about P with radius R is equal to twice R is equal to R plus R. This is important for solving problem or for objective question. Diameter of open ball about P with radius R is equal to 2R is equal to R plus R. Now we discuss about Hausdorff property of matrix space. Hausdorff property of matrix space. Theorem: let HD be a matrix space let x and y belong to x, x not equal to y, then there exists open sets capital U and capital V in X such that X belong to U, Y belong to V, and U intersection V is empty. This theorem is known as Hausdorff property of matrix space. Let HD be a matrix space. XY belong to set X and x is not equal to y. Then there exist open sets u and v in x such that u is open set about u and v is open set about y. V and their intersection of these open sets is empty. This is known as the property of matrix space. Proof. Given x is not equal to y, given x is not equal to y. This implies that by definition of matrix space, distance between x and y is greater than 0 by definition of matrix space. Let small r is equal to distance between x and y dxy. Clearly r is greater than 0 since distance between x and y is greater than 0, therefore r is greater than 0. Let capital U is open ball about x with radius r by 3 and V is equal to open ball about y with radius r by 3. U and V are open balls in matrix space X therefore by theorem U and V are open sets in X. dxy is equal to 0 dxy is greater than 0 because x and y are unequal. Distance between x and x is equal to 0 is less than r by 3. This implies that x belongs to open ball about x with radius r by 3 is equal to u. Therefore, this is x is in point of set u or open set u. Similarly, dyy, distance between y and y, is equal to 0, which is less than r by 3. This implies that y belongs to open ball about y with radius r by 3, which is equal to v. We will show that u intersection v is empty set. Intersection of u and v is empty. We show this by using contradiction. Suppose if possible, let u intersection with v is non-empty. Let z belong to u intersection v. This implies that z belong to u and z belong to v. Z is point of u and v. This implies that z belong to u is equal to open ball about x with radius r by 3. This implies that distance between x and z is less than r by 3. Similarly, z belong to v is equal to open ball about y with radius r by 3. This implies that distance between y and z is less than r by 3 by definition of open ball. By triangular inequality, because let X is a matrix space with matrix D. Therefore, by triangular inequality of matrix space, dxy is less equal dxz plus dzy is less than r by 3 plus r by 3, which is equal to 2r upon 3. But distance between xy is equal to r. but dxy is equal to r. This implies that r is less than 2r by 3. This implies that 3 into r is less than 2r. This implies that 3 is less than 2. But this is not possible. It is impossible. Three is less than 2 is impossible because 3 is greater than 2, which is a contradiction. Hence our assumption is wrong. Hence our assumption U intersection V is non-empty is wrong. And hence U intersection V is empty, which completes the proof. This is the last lecture of our unit first of matrix spaces. In unit first we cover all the points, and I hope all of you understand unit first. If you have any query or doubt, or any we have not able to solve any problem in book, then please call me or text me in WhatsApp or email. I assist you for solving exercise and assignment. In today's lecture, we studied diameter of a set and Hausdorff property of matrix space. Today we complete our unit first and unit test of first on this topic. Unit first of matrix spaces will be conducted on 6th September 2021. So we study hard and solve all problems in unit test first. Okay student, today I stop here. In next lecture I will start on unit second of topology of matrix spaces. Thank you very much.